Alright, what's up YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. The name is Hassan, and this channel is about my struggle to become a profitable day trader. I'm streaming live every market open so you guys can see my entries, exits, all that good stuff. If you want to join me on my journey, hit that like button and subscribe. Let's get to it, y'all. What's up, Signature? It's Thursday, November 7th, and coming off of a max loss yesterday, but it's a new day, and learned some good lessons yesterday. And I'm here, man, to conquer. Um, let's see. I had some so focused really hard on pre-market prep today. I got three that I'm watching: mRNA, XPEV, and Bros. Dutch Bros. Kizzy Bop, Wave Rider. What's going on, y'all? Um, Nvidia. Dun, dun, dun. Wow. All-time highs type of day, huh? Dang. Nvidia has had a hell of a run. Sure, it seemed like it's had a lot of red days, but here we are at highs. Interesting. What up, Q? Lock in time, man. Got to. Um, mm, Three Pony. What's up, Three Pony? This was yesterday. 42 might be something. There is the bell. Hmm. Spy moving up strong on the first candle. Bros and XPEV. Oh, this line study is not working like I wanted it to. I don't know what's wrong with it. It's supposed to be yesterday's high, but I don't know what's wrong with this thing. We'll come back to that later. Oh, that's actually yesterday's high. That's acting stupid. It's a lot of volume coming in down there. This is yesterday's high. It's a good place to bounce, eh? But it's not yesterday's high though. What slip? That's only 5 cents. All-time highs on XPEV was 1367, and we were at 1370s. High of days 1375. So definitely hoping we can hold these highs and have a real cool breakout kind of day, you know. Got my stop at low of day, and my entry, I wanted it like right at 50, 51. Got in at 56, so not terrible. Not the worst slippage in the world, but I think it'll be worth it. I want mRNA over here, but definitely got to see that double bottom. See, I don't see how this yellow line is supposed to be representing yesterday's high. That mug is lying. Anyway, Reddit, what's going on, Danny? Whoa, Reddit gave some good opportunities there. This would have been a cool entry right here, bro. Nice daily too. Okay, I see why you're watching Reddit now. Man, it look like it's too far gone to buy now though, man. This thing below 123. There goes bros. Just didn't see any kind of clean setup on bros. Still hopeful for mRNA over here. Ah, okay. Well, we up 1R on XPEV. And I just really be wanting that double bottom, man. I would love for it to come back down. Give me a nice narrow range entry. Something where I would be excited to sell at VWAP. This ain't bad right here though, right at yesterday's close. Yeah, that ain't bad, but it's such a wide stop. Had a good daily too. I'm just gonna be patient though. Really try to wait for a more worthwhile entry, especially since we looking so good over here on XPEV. Everything's going according to plan on XPEV. Just trading that price action and volume, man. It was super far away from VWAP up here. Like this point was where VWAP was, and then this candle came in with the massive volume and just yanked VWAP right up to it. And I'm like, hey, we get above this candle, we're good to go. And I still put my stop under the low of day. So everything was happy for me over here with this entry. And maybe a little too fast on the entry because the price broke and it broke straight to 56 and then it just traded right back down to the price I wanted to pay for. But I was already in it. So I don't know, maybe a little half second slower next time. Let the price bounce back. Let those stop orders fill, which used to be me. HBI, what's up, T-Lo? Hey man, we gotta put tickers in all caps, yo. Sometimes I don't know what y'all giving me a typo. Ooh, ooh, dang man. Yeah, the Joker's having a record day today. Definitely too late to jump in there now. But that mug is looking real nice, especially if you got in under 8. Like, it really didn't have much of be hard to get in this thing under 8 actually. That would be quite impressive. Okay. CYN. Oh, see, this is looking a little bit better right there. But I still want that double bottom, man. What's that looking like? $451. Dang. Okay, T Low. Now you talking. Now you talking. Bros is doing real nice. Bros actually would have been a good higher day retest. Very clean high day retest play. Okay, now that's exciting right there. Or 5340 print. Hey, boy. See, that's why I miss having my stop entries, man. Stressing out about my entry price now. Yeah, I need to figure out. Hmm. Yeah, I need to figure that out, Joe, because um I like having my stop entries because I ain't fast enough to get a good feel. Having to press the control, my hotkey as the price breaks. Yeah, I figure it is. I need to spend some time. Man, I wanna kind of want to add right here, but it's not worth it. Oh yeah, I meant to look that up, Trey. Uh, CYN. Okay. I like 494. Yeah, I like this volume here, and then another leg down, a little more volume. Still haven't seen like the green volume come in, like, wow. We here. This break over 5 could be nice though. Oh, okay. Nice modest target there. That's what's up. Looking good. Okay, okay. Kind of want to add here and then raise my stop there, but I don't, it's still gonna be pretty wide stop. So we'll just leave it, man. Keep my cost average low and see if we can get up to pre-market. I like this price action on XPEV. Oh yeah, bro. I forgot to tell y'all when you come in the Discord, somebody's gonna message you like they're me. How's your trading going? They start going down this whole breakdown of how the climate and variables, real like robot talk about trading. Like, bro, don't know real traders talk about trading like that, man. Stop it. Stop it. So corny. uh, so this ain't the Hassan from the stream. uh, that's funny. Yeah, they're very like no like charisma or any kind of personality. They're just real robotic. That's funny. Oh man, appreciate it, Joe. I'm really trying to get this DOS platform dialed in, man. I like it a lot, man. Having these it's kind of malfunctioning on me right now, but having these study configs with price markers where it just you can just set it to mark out pre-market high and low and yesterday's highs. Like, bruh, I used to spend every morning going through marking marking the highs and lows, and now it just puts it up there. That's dope, man. But for some reason, yesterday's high is not really calculating like it's supposed to. Yeah, because that's not yesterday's high at all. Yesterday's high is right here. So I don't know what's going on with that part. Right. What's up, Silent Maker? Yeah, man, I definitely have had some good times with the scammers every now and then. Sometimes I got time, and let's play a game. I'm glad I didn't add up there, boy. I'd be sweating right now. It just says yesterday. Came all the way back in, huh? And made a new lower day. Man, well, good job on cutting it break even, bro. I struggle with that, man. I'm always holding for from my understanding, Joe, it uses yesterday the high. I would think the open high. Like what else? It's not set at pre-market high either though. So I don't know what excuse to give it. It's nobody's high. Or maybe aftermarket. Maybe this is aftermarket high from yesterday. That would make sense, I guess. And if that's the case, that's stupid. I don't care about aftermarket highs, yo. That's exactly what it is. That's stupid. Okay, so I'm gonna just take that off then. And I'll just have to, that'll be one that I have to mark. Cause, oh, maybe this is what I need. What's the Y? Maybe I just need the Y high. Let's try that. Okay, I think that's it. All right. Operator error. Operator error. Okay, that's much better. Cool, cool, cool. So yellow was yesterday's high. Purple is pre-market low. Pink is pre-market high. Green is yesterday's close. And I think I want current price to be white. I think that might be chart configure. Line style. No, that wasn't it. No, that was this. I don't like that. Oh yeah, price marker is dope, man. Glad I could share that with you. It's one of the things I thought was super cool. What's up, Jack? Just in a couple long running trades, man. But you know that's better than getting stopped out right after you jump in something. So it's all good. How's it going with you today, Jack? Come on, mRNA. I need this to be some good reversal data right here. It was super bearish on the daily, but I thought it had a good opportunity to have a good day today. The COVID stock. I know, bro. I almost have a moral dilemma trading this stock. Yeah, that's what's up, Jack. That's what it's all about, man. It's literally the hardest part of this thing is just waiting for your opportunity to come and not trading everything else. At least for me, that's definitely been one of my most difficult things. Bros is interesting me over here, but it would be quite reckless. But you know, I like these volume spikes when they come in. It's kind of basing right here at this level and then tested below down to 47.5. I got history. Nah, I just, I don't man, I want to take this bros trade, but I ain't gonna do it. I ain't gonna do it. Um I'm just, I'm kind of against the machine, and mRNA was definitely a part of the machine. Excuse me. Are you serious? Like real talk? Nah, I ain't heard about that, Jack. That sounds like a movie. That sounds like a straight movie, bro. That's crazy. Well, I guess mRNA was not the one. 'Twas not the one. Did it? Everybody took their profits, huh? Yeah, it did. Actually, this looks like a great reversal right here. Uh, it's right. It's at a nice level too, bruh. Ain't no way. Tell me this don't look like a nice reversal though. Nah, I think it's gonna break on the way down though. You had a feeling I was gonna say that. I'm just saying. Mm, mm. Man, that would be terrible. It happened last night. They're telling everyone to stay inside. Oh my God. Oh my God. And they want to know why people feel like you need an AR-15, bro. If I had 40 monkeys coming at me and all I had was a pistol, I wouldn't even shoot that thing, man. I just had to turn and run. Where do you cover? Where did you short, bro? That's hilarious. Bruh. Oh my God, man. 25? I don't know. Dang, let's see. Probably every half or whole dollar would be a possibility. I say you got 29 in the bag, man. Pre-market low, 28.15. You sell some at 29 and hold the rest for 28.15. Golly. Tell the good people where you got in at, Q. XPEV coming back to life. Now I feel like I gotta take profit up here at 14. If we're trading the chart and not the P&L, 30/30s. All right, I'm gonna sell 15 like a responsible trader. At PLTR got smoked. It was high day though. 1405. Dang, sure did. Man, see, I felt bros right here. I almost pointed with my finger. I felt bros right here. This volume spike right here after basing out at 48. I felt this, but just trying to be consistent in what I'm playing right now, and I'm trying to focus on the reversals. So, gotta get used to letting some of those things go. But that was that was a nice play though. That was a really nice play. Come on, mRNA. This is a super slow morning. Okay, here's the double bottom now. See, this is nice volume crash out into this level, and then you double bottom. Yep, 68, 68, 69. You could take that. Yeah, I would take the break over 68. Stop under 57. Well, never mind. Never mind. But these things actually like to make a wick low before doing the reverse. Man, look like mRNA is not feeling the move up, yo. It's just not feeling it. You gonna long it because of me? It still needs that like sign of strength to come in and say that the buyers will be taking it from here. Yeah, I don't know, man. I'm thinking back over 68, 70-ish maybe, but I don't like that it made another low. But I have noticed these penny stocks like to make these little peekaboo lows right before the reverse, just to shake you out. But yeah, nah, I mean, you got kind of this area over here. Here we go. Yeah, bros was nice, man. Bros was real nice. It just wasn't really a way to get into it. Um, I kind of like this high day break and retest here, but I think you might have got stopped out. 47.62. Yeah, you would have got stopped out over here before it went anywhere. So this was definitely the entry though, just looking at the volume. Beautiful play. What's it gonna be, mRNA? Just gonna hold me hostage all day to stop me out. My bad. Um, what was I talking about? Oh, yeah, I was just saying that I'm hoping that to have just two trades today, and went ahead and moved my stop to break even on XPEV, because I mean, if it breaks back down and makes another low after all of this, I'd say it's done. Um, mRNA looks pretty done as well. CYN. Okay, yeah, see, that's what I was feeling about this, that it likes to make a peekaboo low before the reverse. Yeah, I still like it over 68. Definitely over 70. You ready, Q? This is pretty nice right here. Just need some momentum though. It's no real volume. It just feels like there's no reason for it to go up. Like nobody's buying it. Dang, there's 29. You still in there, Q? Man, mRNA. That's what we doing. We're gonna start waiting for that double bottom, yo. Oh yeah, 10 shares. Oh, I like it, bro. I like it. YOLO. Can't hold these. You're out already. Nah, but this is when I like this what I be seeing trade when I be like when I see entries here, I'm like, well, why did you get in here? Like this is the first place where I could see the entry, and then it fails and starts making another lows, and then you see a basing. What do you call it? The soaking. It's soaking. Yeah, mRNA just turned out to be Trizash. Let's see what it does here at low of day. Got some volume coming in, but it ain't getting bought. Yeah, that's a wrap. Not if target is VWAP. So you still in DJT then, huh? Just made a high over 70. So we just took out this high right here. Next high is 514. 515. So we stopped out at mRNA. Stop at break even on XPEV. And now we got Sinjin. Hmm. It's not bad. This is where where it would have first gotten interesting. DJT looked like a reversal right here. This mug has no volume, yo. There's no volume. No more trades. Gap down to 25. Yeah. Got a little bit of buying happening over here on CYN. Can we take out 80? $79. There's 80s. That's gonna be crazy if this trade works. I really wanted to take mRNA again, but it's below yesterday's high, so yeah, DJT looked super weak, bro. That's what I'm saying. Pre-market lows, bro. 28.15 minimum. Inshallah. Look at XPEV. This is a big step for me right here. It's taking profit at the highs. Because normally that would not be enough for me and I would be wanting to hold. But I want to create habits of selling where you're supposed to sell, not because the money's right, you know? I mean, if you got a good entry, then the money should be right where you're supposed to sell, you know? I'm so excited to see if this thing does something special. We definitely found a good base to play off of, which is the 450s. We just got to break this 80 top. And then I think things could get a little fun. Ooh, 82s. Come on, man. Don't fade back. There you go. Come on now. Yeah. Got them 82s coming in. Covered up. Hey, congratulations, bro. That was a crazy trade, man. Where the money counter? I need some sound effects for this mug. Hey, we got 85s over here on CYN. Spies moving up. Everybody looking good, y'all. Man, I hope so too, bro. Yeah, imagine. Almost had take profit on XPEV. Come on, baby. Yo, this was a nice play on XPEV. It took forever to play out. Alright, there we go. Took some profit on XPEV. We got 20 shares remaining. Let us put our stop. We'll put it right back, actually. Stop market. I need a hotkey for this process. 1356. Come on, CYN. You didn't break them 80s just to fall back. My bad. I don't know what's about to happen with this thing, man. This was definitely a just for fun trade. I really already ruled it dead. Oh yeah. HBI was looking good last time I looked at it. I like this base where it breaks below VWAP for a little while and then kind of bases out, then starts trending up again. This is I see this happen pretty consistently too. I really want to add it to my play and like give it a name because it happens so consistently. It really slows things down when you're looking when the thing you're looking for takes a while to develop. Like when I saw this big low on mRNA, I really was waiting for to see what would happen after, some kind of confirmation. Um yeah. Boy, this CYN trade was just not it. I knew it. We knew it. All right, look at XPev over here doing big things, man. Go ahead and put that stop up there. Yo, what's up, iBomb? Not too much. I stopped out on mRNA and then got back in. We'll see how that goes. Um, what else? CYN is over here playing with my emotions. This was like a fun trade because we were talking about it, and I don't know. I always feel a tendency to put a trade on to really see if it's good or not. I think that partly might be influenced by that book I read, Reminiscences of a Stock Operator. He always talking about, what you say doesn't mean anything if you didn't put some money on it. uh, but probably don't need that type of influence in my life at this stage. But yeah, so that's pretty much the CYN trade. I think we had a pretty good analysis of it though. Probably late on the conviction side, but I think it's a pretty good thesis. Um, yeah, we need mRNA at over 53, man. And we needed to get there and stay there. Oh yeah, I bet that's wild. Jeez. Destruction. Dang, bro, you got fields all the way down here. Dang. Well done, man. That's nice. mRNA about to get me twice, huh? Yo, XPEV doing this thing over here. I really wanted to get my stop to break even on CYN. uh, come on, man. See that new high day. What'd you say, yen? Two ends. This thing got almost a 10-cent spread. Okay, it's tightening up a little bit. No. Wow, look at that bottom tail. I'm glad it didn't take me out. Mhm. Yeah. It's looking probably about the same for me. Yeah. Definitely regretting this second trade on mRNA. It was after my cutoff time. Hmm. I see it, Ibon. Really interesting. Appreciate that, bro. I'm gonna have to look over that a little more in depth. Much appreciated, man. Much appreciated. Uh, Sorry. My allergies are bothering me and I keep blowing my nose and I don't want to blow it on the mic. And I keep forgetting to turn the mic back on. Um yeah, I just regretting taking this second mRNA trade for the sole fact that it was past my cutoff time that I've been wanting to stop trading at. Um yeah, I'm very anxious about getting my stop moving my stop up, but I just don't want to move it up prematurely. So, I think if we get what's that? We close over 75, I'm gonna go ahead and move my stop up 10 cent to 65. And then next target will be getting over 80. One thing that'll help is when 9:30 hits, I gotta close out the charts that I'm not in positions in. Since I'm just sitting here looking at stuff, it's gonna make it really hard to not trade it. Really could have just had XPEV, man. I'm really getting to that more and more where I just, when I get that first trade on and I feel like it's good. Well, the only reason I take a second trade is because I feel like it's a good setup as well. It just didn't work. And that's okay. No offering. Dun, dun, dun. To the moon, Craig. Getting on in the day here, so I'm just kind of tightening things up. YOLO. No offering. Straight to the YOLO. Oh. Think could at least get to $5. Come on, man. Don't nobody care about this stock. All right, so we're at the low of this 15-minute candle. Stop playing, Q. Um, yeah, mRNA didn't work out for me. mRNA did not work out. Um, Definitely this entry, I was looking for VWAP. Oh, snap, CYN. Come on with it. Come on with it. Got some volume coming in. Look at this. Yeah, buddy. CRSR. Dang, what a day it had. What a day, what a day. Come on, man. This big old move, I'm just at break even. Come on, dog. XPEV taking his sweet, sweet time to break 1430. What's up, Arthur? Hey, there we go, XPEV. XPEV over 1430. That's what we like to see. Yeah. Might end up with some money today. Especially if this one can get its act together, man. XPEV was the one, man. The daily was the best on XPEV. XPEV was my number one because the daily was wild. Bros, I like Bros a lot, but it was expensive. And it just went crazy right at the open, so there was really nothing for me to do with it. But man, if CYN could get some momentum, man, this thing could be a killer play today. But it's just taking too long, man. And I'm really lost my willingness to have risk on it. Yeah, I know. I would normally not trade it. We were just like talking about it, and I liked the reversal action it was having, but I don't like anything else about stocks in this category. Okay, that looks nice. Yeah, dude. Not kind of thin at the open. Yeah, CYN, bro. Smug is wild. I got you. Low 1423. Yeah, XPEV is nice. Caught XPEV way up here at what's that? 1356. Yeah, mRNA. Or was that CYN? Yeah. I just thought it could I just be forgetting that these things could really just like not have a reason to ever go back up again. And that's why ultimately I don't like playing them cuz they're not really that valuable. They just, they have opportunities for certain types of plays, which is why I need to stay in my department. Crypto plays for the future. You got any specific cryptos you think are you think have some potential? Ooh, you didn't pull it all the way back in, huh? XPEV is obviously the strong one. Out of CYN. It's all on you now, XPEV. And coin. Feeling some Wingstop. I had Wingstop not too long ago. Sin gonna really make me mad if I just played myself without low of day. But I mean, this is ridiculous. I just need to stay away from those. I always got like one or two trades every day that I just should not have done, should not have traded. Let me close that. I don't want to look at that anymore either. All right, stop up to 32. What do I get from Wingstop? Usually I don't like boneless wings. I always get bone in. But they got a deal for 20 boneless wings for like 16.99. And as far as just like protein intake, I was like, you know what? I don't even care if they're boneless, which means chicken nugget chunks. I don't even care. I'm just gonna enjoy the protein. So like last time I got the hot honey rub and the sweet blazing barbecue half and half with fries, ranch, and a drink. I don't really care for the drink because I don't drink much of what they have to offer. But yeah, man, that 20 piece for 16.99. Hey, it's a lot of chicken. CELH. Hold on, real quick, y'all. My bad, yo. Be having them emergency phone calls that are worth taking. uh, I was just thinking, man, this is this $half mark. I should be taking something out. I'm over here lacking. This don't look like any kind of alarming volume yet, though. Mango and barbecue. I like the mango, but I don't know, man. I've been kind of sensitive to like spice lately. And that mango habanero, man, that thing be kicking sometimes. So I've been kind of more on the chill side. Let's see. Why am I picking this as a price target? Because it is $2 above my entry. And I can sell half and pull out another R. So it seems reasonable. It's a lot of shares sitting there at 50. Whole lot of shares. If that thing can make it past 50, that would be pretty impressive. That mango habanero ain't spicy. Yeah, I might be getting a little soft, man. That's what I'm saying, Kizzy. uh, man, I want to hold for a little bit more of a move up, but I feel like there we go. Okay. Ah, come on. Now I do feel like I should tighten up the stop. Now it's holding 50s. A lot of people hitting the ask there. Uh, this looks like ending volume now. What am I gonna do? Trend line. I know. I don't have time. It's the volume, man. I can tell. I don't have time. Bro, because it's like, I feel like I should be. I wish this spike would have got my take profit. How much more do I want? Oh, really? More. I want 4 times ATR. Yeah, for sure. I'm gonna be salty. I mean, I tried to sell some up here. It was just a little too. I should have sold some right at the half dollar. That's what it comes down to. So, but now if it makes a new high, I don't want to sell. I'll just my stop has gotten up to the point where I'll just chase it up now. Yeah, I like how you do your thing, but bro, I'm trading like 5 to 20 shares, bro. So it just feels pointless. Like what I'm gonna sell 1 share here. I know the process makes sense, but it's hard to make it make sense in my head because of the size. But I know when I scale, it'll be great. What's it gonna be, XPEV? More money or less? Pretty sure we got the Green Day lot. That's nice, but um, not by much. Yeah, no doubt, no doubt. But now, in my defense, I have taken profit already. You know what I mean? I took out, I sold like almost half of my position at the first break of the high right here. So now these are like my YOLO shares, but I still want to take some, so I'm kind of trying to take them out at the right places, which this was the right place. My take profit was just a little high. A little high. And it just came back to a reasonable place and I did not sell again. Nah, you right, Jack. I get it. And I have been really trying to sell more at the right places. Come on, man. Just one more little pop. Sell 1 share. I can't even switch off, Arthur. I'm locked in right now. I gotta see if I can get this TP snatched right here. Come on, man. I feel like it's gonna blast it. If it hits it, it's gonna blast it. Come on, man. Come on, man. Bruh. Come on, man. 1 cent. 1 cent, man. I should have moved it down to 50, bro. That was stubborn of me. That was stubborn of me. I could have moved it down to 50, took some profit, and then moved my stop back down to somewhere safe and tried to catch the next leg. But still a great trade. My entries down here. First take profit here. Stopped out up here. Can't be mad, bro. Can't be mad. But we do have again trades that should not have been traded. CYN should not have been traded. Yeah, that slip was kind of nasty. Ended up selling me at like 30s. Yeah, instead of 50s. It's 20 cent. Yeah. This candle came within 1 cent of my sale. I definitely should have just sold some, but all in all, a great trade. mRNA. Honestly, once it broke through yesterday's high, I probably should have just left it. Cause yeah, like the buyers tried to step up, but it still fell back through. And then this was a pretty good sign right here though. At yesterday's high. I thought this was pretty good. So I'm really not mad at myself on this one. I just wish I didn't take the second trade. So yeah, second trade on mRNA and the trade on CYN are my regrets today. But first trade on mRNA and my XPEV trade, I can't be mad at those. XPEV, I mean, of course, I can't be mad at XPEV because it worked out great. Man, just should have taken profit at the $0.50. Having a target at 14.56 is so out of my normal. I always put a profit with that. I would normally sell it at 14.47. You know, maybe 14.49. And it gave me that numerous times, but I was just being too picky about it. But, you know, a good lesson to learn, a green lesson. It sucks that my green is so tiny after a big red. My greens have been tiny so far. I think my first day was like a R the first day, R the second day, or half a R. So Definitely red on the week right now. But I think most of my trades were managed pretty decent today, so I can't be too mad. Just gotta stay away from the outliers, man. The three things I had on my watch list was Bros, which was pretty cool. Um, mRNA, which didn't work out, and then XPEV, which was great. So really, I could have just had the XPEV and mRNA trade. Bros didn't give me an entry at all, except for right here. I definitely thought about this guy. I had to sell like half there, and who knows. But yeah, man, heading the right direction. I just gotta remember these fun trades are not cool because they throw off my data on my journal, and the thesis for taking them is just different. Like Trey was trying to take it, but he's only looking for quick pops, and where I entered was his target. So it's just a different play, and it's not one that I'm playing. So I got to stay out of those guys. Um, but other than that, man, not too bad. Not too bad. Just slipped up again on my after 9 trade, after 10:30 market time trade, and yeah. So not bad, not bad. Anyway, man, definitely stayed over past time that I wanted to. Um, Thanks for hanging out with me, y'all. Not a bad day, man. I feel like we're making small steps forward. Small steps forward. Um, Not gunslinging as much. So yeah, man. We'll be back Friday to close it out strong. Just try to do the same thing with just looking at 2 or 3 stocks, and then um focusing on my setup, my setup, my low of day risk setup, and see what I can find. And just leave the rest alone. Just leave the rest alone. Them little side plays, we can paper trade them or write our entries in the chat, and virtual trade them. But I'm not gonna take any more of them with my account. I really want to see what the stats are on these reversals, mid cap to large cap. You know what I'm saying? Nice daily setup. And yeah, man, just keep it locked in. But anyway, man, y'all be safe out here. Hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord link is in the description. I won't message you asking you for anything, so look out for that guy. Anyway, man, take it easy. Peace.